All right, we're gonna give you the directions on how to build the first test circuit and how to take the current measurements of it, all to put in our green data table in Summit. So a couple things to pay attention to. One, make sure you set up a series circuit like this. You can see here, the light's on. I have some parts labeled. If you notice, here is the positive side of the battery, and point A is the side that's closer to the positive side of the battery. Remember that the current's coming here before the light bulb, and then point B would be after the light bulb. And that's important because right now we are focusing on circuit 1, point A and B current. So with our multimeter, to make sure it works and measures what we want, we're going to turn this knob to the right until we get to the 200 with a little m in yellow. So we look here, 200 little m in yellow will measure current like we want. Remember, we have to measure it at point A, and to do that, you actually have to open the circuit up, which as you see turns the light bulb off, and then connect the circuit with your multimeter. So the red always goes on the side closest to the positive. So when I trace positive, that means red will touch this post and black will touch this post. Notice the light goes on. And I do have a measurement that's on my multimeter. So I just read what that is. I'm not going to show you because it would give you the answer, but I would look here and this number would have changed when I had the connections up there, and that number would be point A for current 1 right here in this top box. Point B, we need to close our circuit back up. And now we need to open it up here. Notice there's a gap now, lights off. Same thing I did before. The red tip will go on the metal closest to the light bulb and the black one the furthest. When I do it properly, which is pretty hard to do with one hand, I must admit. There we go. The light bulb turns on. I would have another reading that I'm going to take off so you can see. Make sure you have a number there, which I did, but I didn't want to give it to you. And then you'll put that under circuit 1, point B. And that's all for test circuit 1.